What up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So by now, I've already braided my hair and added moisturizer to my scalp. I'm just gonna use a little foundation powder. It's by Fit Me, using my makeup brush to give it a more natural look. Sorry you guys, I didn't record me putting the Got To Be glue on my forehead and cap, but now I'm going to use this Got To Be freeze spray and spray it across my cap to make sure that thing's secured. Y'all don't mind my face, I gotta see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to use my Revlon blow dryer to dry up what I've just applied to my cap. These are wet products, so we're not going to dry completely, just enough so that it's sticky. Y'all, please forgive me. I was in a rush, so I didn't comb my wig out and things. I just got it in this little ponytail. But this is a 20-inch Brazilian body wave wig. Okay, so I'm just going to line my wig up with the glue that I applied to my forehead and gently press down to make sure it holds. Okay, so now that I've made sure that everything is secured in the front, I'm just going to pull my ears out, let them big things go, to make sure the wig is secure all around. Now I'm going to use my Revlon blow dryer once again to make sure that the wig is secured all the way around. Secure that wig, ladies. Okay, so I just finished combing my baby hairs to the front. I like to swoop them different ways each time, so you guys can swoop it to your liking, however you're feeling that day, honey. Okay. Oh Lord, let me stop playing in my hair. But all right, y'all, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on Instagram at shay.savage.